Ron Arias, the top scored for them, and then also Ludic Riano played well, si Jerome Reyes, but this guy played superb here in this ball game with his clutch defense and clutch scoring. Kasama na natin ngayon ang ating sinag player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Levi Gia, who scored 12 points, 11 assists, 4 rebounds, and that key stop on the three-pointer ni Francis Claverol. Una sa lahat. Kuya Levi, congratulations sa panalo na ito. You have been losing the past 2 games. Pero grabe, yung bumalik kayo dito sa Bukawi, Bulacan, malaking impluensya ba na finally, umuwi muna tayo dito, mukhang kailangan natin manalo dito sa ating home court?
First of all, again, thank you kay Lord Jesus Christ for giving us this win. It's a team effort, no? So yung last 2 games o 3 games natin, talaga medyo nag-slump kami, no? So nung nag-e-ensayo kami, talagang pinag-aralan namin mga pagkakamali namin, and then basketball, di ba? Merong ups and downs. Buti ngayon, na-execute namin yung mga play ni coach tsaka ng mga assistant coach namin. Credit to all my teams and to my coaching staff and to everyone in the team.
Levi, nung first half, you just doing the playmaking, assist-making. Pero nung sa second half, nung nakapuslo ka ng 3-point shot, you can sense na talagang humahabol ang VPD Trading. Anong instruction sa iyo ni Coach Egay to come up with this victory in overtime?
Yes, instruction ng mga coaching staff, especially si Coach Ogie, no? So sabi niya sa akin kung open, tira, pero kapag na-execute mo yung play, dish out mo kapag sobrang dino-double team na ako. So that's why siguro sila si Jerome, tsaka yung iba namin nakapag-penetrate or nakapag-set up na-set up namin sila sa 3 points nila, and na-made nila yung mga open shots.
Okay, Levi, ngayon papasok na tayo sa quarterfinals. You do have a 4-4 record. You still have a chance possibly for that twice to beat advantage, pero syempre kasaabangan natin yung pagdating ng playoffs. Ano yung baka may gusto mo anyayahan yung mga fans ninyo sa JJV Lucky Suns, and to support your squad, lalo na eto na, playoffs na sa inyong susunod na pagbabalik na sa tapak sa loob ng hardcourt.
Yes, inaanyayahan po namin ng Team JJB Lucky Sun ang buong Bukawi here in, of course, in Bulacan. No? So sana masuportahan nyo kami sa darating na playoffs namin. Hopefully, we can able to mabiring natin yung panalo kung saan mang court. Hindi court na dito sa JIL, dito lang tayo magwawagi. So sana kahit saan tayo dalhin, it's a team effort and as a whole team.
Yes, oo. And baka may gusto ka bang batiin? Go ahead.
Yes, first of all, binabati ko po yung si Mayor John Villanueva, Boss D.E. Henry Alcantara, buong team namin, no? To their families who supported us, and then of course my family, again my wife Tina, mga anak ko si Lay, Tyron, and Anya, mom ko, dad ko, June, Mami Menchi, and my brother Dick, Monica, si Yaya, and then mga ninong Monching ko, ninong Lai, and then the rest of my cousins, si Rizal, Rainiel, tsaka si Ria. And to whole Radicals family, Ona family, and Pamanaba. Thank you.
All right, Levi, first again, congratulations for this win. Makakapagpahinga na kayo.